Hey guys, and welcome to this video. It is 2 a.m. I'm tired and sleepy, but we are going on a road trip tomorrow to Georgia. I wanted to take you along on my packing. So welcome to this little packing planning trip to Georgia. It's 2 a.m. I need to pack. This video is starting off but we're still gonna film it because I wanted to film this. Yeah. We have to wake up at 7 a.m. or at least I have to wake up at 7 a.m. because I take forever to get ready, and if I don't wake up at 7 a.m. then I'm gonna be the last one ready. I'm always the last one ready, so I'm trying to not be. I'm not trying to make us late. The first matter of business is to tell you to subscribe, because I know not everybody watching subscribes. Like this video, comment, subscribe, and share it with somebody that you know. So come along with me as I pack for a little overnight stay in Georgia. I hope you enjoy the video. First things first, I need to find out what I'm wearing to the funeral. So we didn't have like specific colors that we have to wear, but I'm not trying to wear some kind of bright colors. So I'm gonna show you the dress. You guys already seen the dress. I worn it 2 other times, and I'm gonna wear it again because it's comfy, it's long, I haven't shaven my legs, so yeah. It feels like a good dress to wear, and I don't care that I've already worn it. So let me show you the dress. Also, I feel like it's gonna be a fun challenge to see how long this takes me. So it is currently 2 a.m. Let's see how long it takes me to pack and get to sleep. I'm so tired. Okay, anyways, this is the dress. We've seen this dress, but it's long. It doesn't really need to be ironed. It's pretty simple, but still like black, you know, for a funeral. This is my funeral day dress. So the funeral is Saturday. This is what we're wearing. So I need to pack this, an undershirt for this, and then I'm gonna wear my black bow that I always wear. I'm gonna wear it with this just so that we can look a little fancier, you know? Funeral outfit, check. I wasn't even filming. Guys, if this video makes it to light, if this video is on YouTube, just know this was a struggle to film, because I'm not here. I'm out of it. I'm tired. So do me a favor, and again, subscribe. We are not planning on stopping because it's like a 3.5 hour trip, I think. We're not planning on stopping, so I'm just gonna wear something pretty comfortable. Doesn't even have to be cute, because we're going straight from our house to the hotel. It's gonna wear something comfortable. This is my newest tie-dye shirt that I've made. We're going with this because it's comfortable. So this and a black skirt. We're done for our going there outfit. Making progress. Next thing on the list I need is PJs. I'm gonna grab some PJs. I am not showing you my PJs. So today's Thursday. Still Thursday. When we leave in the morning, it's gonna be Friday. I don't think that I need an outfit for Friday night because I'm planning on exploring. We've been to Georgia countless times. I don't really feel like we're gonna go anywhere. I'm gonna get dinner, but I could be comfortable. My hair's not even done. So I don't know. I'm just gonna pack something decent, you know, for if we have to like go out and get dinner on Friday night. But I think we're gonna just like stay in our room, kind of rest, you know. Let's just find an outfit just in case. I am definitely one of those people who overpack. I can't help it, okay? I'm like, ooh, let me bring an outfit just in case there's a cute place. We can take pictures, right? Then I'm like, oh, what if that outfit gets ruined? Then I need a backup one. And then I'm like, I'm staying one night. So like, I'm gonna be like, oh, I need like 2 pairs of pajamas. I need crazy amount of stuff that I don't even need. But you know, you just pack it just in case. I'm definitely one of those people. Literally keep yawning. I'm so tired. But we're gonna do this video because I'm back posting, so rain, shine, sleep or no sleep, we are making this video. This is for you guys. Subscribe again. So I think I'm done packing. I have my clothes that I'm going with. I have PJs for that night. I have an outfit for that night just in case we go out for like dinner. It's not the cutest of outfits, but it's decent. And then I have my funeral outfit. Then I have comfy clothes after we come back from the funeral on Saturday. I think I'm all packed. Obviously I have to pack my toothbrush and deodorant and all of that stuff, but that's in the morning. I have to pack my hair stuff, but that's in the morning. That's it for tonight, guys. I'll see you in the morning, bright and early, 7 a.m. I was in the midst of cleaning my room today. I got pretty far. I folded a whole basket and put away clothes before we left today. And then I came back and my clothes was washed again. Then another load was washed and dried, so I have to fold that one. But that's gonna stay there until we come back. I cannot do that. So I also washed my sheets, so I have to put all of my sheets on my pillowcases and all. That's it for tonight. Too tired, too sleepy. Good night. Also, it's 2:19. I thought it was gonna be way later than that. Anyways, okay, bye. Okay, I'm back because I realized I'm not done until I pack everything in the bag, so. Good morning. It is 8 a.m. Woke up at 7:30 and I took a shower and got ready, obviously. I am horrible and I didn't do the whole getting out of bed, waking up, and or showing you how I got ready, but I'm ready for the day. I need to finish packing up all my stuff. They're already calling for me. I think we're gonna try to leave a little early. So I'm late and I'm the last one again. What do you know? But anyways, okay. Let me go before I get in trouble. We're at the car wash. We stopped for breakfast. Now we're at the car wash. And we'll be on our way, hopefully. I got it. We're out of Florida, we're in Georgia. That was funny. We just made it to Georgia. It is currently like 1 p.m. Made it to our hotel. I'll show you the hotel name in a second, but this is our room. I'll give you a little tour before it gets messy. This is the bathroom, obviously. This is our hotel in Valdosta, Georgia. It's a brand new hotel and it's really nice so far. We just came from the mall. Excuse my appearance. It's been a day from the mall. And I think we're gonna come back later to the mall, but we're just gonna chill out in the room for right now. So, we got dinner. Actually, we went to the mall. We got dinner. We went to the mall. We came back to the hotel room. And then we just like chilled out. I took a nap because I was so tired. putting this in now because I'm gonna take a shower, and with the steam of the shower, even though I take cold showers, with the steam of the shower, it's gonna kind of set my hair because I'm putting it in dry. I'm not like wetting my hair, so it'll kind of like help set it, or at least I think. That's why I'm putting it in now. Okay, I'm gonna put it in my little girl. Good morning. Hello. The funeral's over. All of the family dinner and all of that is over. We're at Bojangles so that we can change and so that we can get Bojangles and head on the road. So. And just like that, I'm back in tie-dye. Still gotta change out of my bow. But we're at Bojangles right now for dinner. We stopped and changed. We should just be getting dinner and then we're gonna be going home. So I don't really know what kind of clips I got. The funeral was good. It was like a nice service and everything. So now that's done and all of like the family stuff is done. So I don't know what kind of clips I got, but we'll see what kind of vlog this is. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, and everything. Until the next one. Bye.